This is attempt to restore Toyota Hilux D4D diesel engine, unusual shaking. I suspected this unusual shaking because of bad functioning injectors. This car already changed engine mounting, so I rejected it for the causes of this problem. Also, there are no symptoms of bad engine mounting. I suspected for bad injectors and bad engine problem. Let's see how bad the shaking for this engine. I will put a glass of water to see the vibration from the engine. It's very bad, not only shaking but also moving, and show how bad the vibration from the engine. For this car, there are no check engine light show on the meter. Already checked the system and no problem show on OBD. That means all system like airflow intake or any sensor on engine are clear. With all been checked, I only suspected problem with clogged injectors or fuel pump. Let's try and test a product that claimed can clean and restore diesel system and injectors. But before that, please change the diesel filter to make sure all deposit from diesel system will be filtered well throughout the entire cleaning process. You can change the diesel filter by yourself or just send to repair shop to keep your hand clean as baby. I will try this product from Liqui Moly to clean out entire diesel system for this Hilux. Liqui Moly, common rail additive claimed can unclog diesel system as well as lubricating all the system components like injectors and fuel pump. This product also claimed can prevent injector and fuel pump from gumming due to the high proportion lubrication and cleaners agents in the product. Recommend dosage for this additive is by ratio 1.300 for maintaining the performance for your car. 75 liter of diesel for 1 bottle of additives. To clean the entire system as well as maintain your injectors, use this product for every 2,000 kilometer. For old engine and engine that never be added diesel cleaner, use this additive at the rate of 1%. 1 bottle is 250 milliliter. Fill the diesel at 25 liter for the treatment. I use 1 bottle for 25 liter diesel, pouring additive first to the diesel tank. This to make sure the additive will mix well with diesel after we fill the diesel into the tank. Make sure to use low sulfur diesel like Euro 5 B10 or Euro 5 B20 as recommended by Liqui Moly. I fill 25 liter diesel to the tank after pouring the common rail additive into the tank. Then I will run the engine and drive at least 10 to 15 kilometer or half of tank that I fill for better cleaning of entire diesel system. Now to see the results after drive for a half of the tank. Let's see the effect of Liqui Moly additive to the engine. But I feel a small change to the performances. There less vibration in car and acceleration improved than before. Water vibration tests seem like no change. But I noticed a bit different than before. The vibration is less than before, and the cup moving slowly than previous test. As you can see, it's only show a little different before and after using Liqui Moly additive. Water only show a little less vibration than before. The cup also only slowed a little bit than before. There no large differences change. Maybe I need to use 2 or 3 more circle to get better results. If you also want to try Liqui Moly additive, recommend you to try this diesel additive set for diesel. This set includes diesel purge, common rail additive, and super diesel additive. Use this product by step. First use diesel purge for heavy cleaning the injectors. Then use common rail additive to clean and lubricants the system components. And lastly use super diesel additive to maintain all diesel system parts. If you using petrol car, use petrol additive set for petrol engine to restore your engine petrol system and clean engine injectors system. This set include valve clean, injection cleaner, and fuel protect. To use this set, firstly use injection cleaner to clean out deposit on injectors. Then use valve cleaner to clean all deposit in valve system, and lastly use fuel protect to clean moisture and deposit in fuel tank. But you must remember, engine shaking symptoms not only caused by injectors. Bad engine, also one of the symptoms that cause your engine to vibrate in unusually. Maybe the engine already in bad condition because bad internal part or carbon deposit in the engine. And clog EGR and intake manifold also can be the cause of unusual shaking. For engine cleaning, better go to repair shop and do carbon cleaning service. That will cost you around a few hundred, or overhaul your engine. That will cost you a few thousand. If your pockets is so deep, better overhaul your engine. If you want the way that more economical, can choose carbon cleaning service or use engine additive and try your luck to save more money. Remember to buy authentic additive product for your car. Using counterfeit car additive products can have several negative effects on your vehicle and its performance. Here are some potential consequences. 1. Engine damage. Counterfeit additives may contain harmful chemicals or incorrect formulations that can damage engine components, leading to costly repairs. 2. Reduced performance. These products may not provide the intended benefits, such as improving fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, or enhancing lubrication, resulting in suboptimal vehicle performance. 3. Increased wear and tear. Poor quality additives can fail to protect engine parts adequately, leading to increased friction, wear, and tear over time. 4. Clogging and deposits. Counterfeit additives might leave harmful deposits or sludge in the engine, fuel system, or exhaust, potentially clogging filters, injectors, or catalytic converters. 5. Safety risks. Inferior additives could compromise the safety of your vehicle by affecting braking systems, fuel lines, or other critical components. To avoid these risks, always purchase car additives from reputable manufacturers and authorized dealers. Check for certifications, labels, and reviews to ensure the product's authenticity and quality. For next video, we will test additive for engine by using this diesel engine additive. This additive designed for cleanings engine deposit and restore engine performance. Engine Flush Plus for flushing all deposit from engine oil. Oil additive for restore and protect engine components, and lastly Super Diesel additive for clean the diesel delivery system and restore the system back to original performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for next video on engine additive. Hit that notification bell so you never miss the new video.